Alright everyone, I'm on my way to Oregon City right now for unknown reasons. I don't even know what's there. Exploration, I guess. I guess I'll find out what's there when I get there. On the I-5 right now, I just got off the 217 and I need to get to the 205. I've never actually been over this way, so I haven't even driven a car this way, so this will be an experience. I'm currently kitted out with my Icon Airform helmet, and I'm not sure how this GoPro positioning is going to be. I don't know if it's too high or too low or what, because I did just change the buckle base position. Well, anyway, there's also a chance of running into Oregon Motorcycle today over in Oregon City, if he happens to be running around town. All I know is if I see a Talaria, a CV500X that's really loud, or a YSR50, that's probably him. One other reason I'm heading to Oregon City is that there's some job opportunities in the area that I could go for, and I want to see how bad the ride or drive is, how far it is, how much traffic there is. It's not really terrible, so I can fuck with it. We'll see how long it takes me to get there though in medium traffic. It'll probably be about 40 minutes or something. I'm also kitted out with my new backpack that I got in the last vlog. So far the backpack feels pretty aerodynamic. I haven't had problems with it so far. None of the straps like flying off my arms or anything. This chest, or actually they call it a sternum strap, seems to work pretty well. Alright, I'm 5 miles from Oregon City. There's also one thing I really want to check out in Oregon City, and that's the elevator. They have some kind of elevator attraction or something there. The unfortunate thing about this area is that there's a lot of road work going on. Even 217 on the way here had a lot of road work going on. And it just said right there, road work for the next 4 miles. That means if I get a ticket, I get double the fine. I'm really concerned about getting a ticket because, I don't know, I'm a biker. I feel like I have a higher chance of getting a ticket just for being on a motorcycle. Westland cops are apparently pretty strict with speeding, so I'm trying to, relax a little bit here. I think I'm where I need to be, actually. Oh, shit. Oh, I actually wanted to go over here, I think. That is where I wanted to go. Well, I can take the next exit. Why is there a traffic light on the freeway? Okay, I'm in Oregon City. I don't know where to go. I didn't think this through. I was going to get off right into the downtown spot, but now that's not happening. Bro, I'm not from this area. I have no idea what's going on right now. I'm in some farmlands, even though it's supposed to be like a downtown or something. Dirty. Ha! No need. Yeah, I have no idea where I am. But this is fun though. Just aimlessly wandering. Red Barn Villa. This road just keeps going. There's no traffic light. I don't know where to pull off or anything. I like it here. It's a lot more rural than where I'm at, and it's got some nice roads with some high speed limits. And it just keeps going. When does it stop? That's a cool, like, old school ranch house. I don't think this is gonna take me near Oregon City downtown. I should find a spot to pull over, but I'm enjoying these roads too much. I also have to check and probably replace my GoPro battery. That looks interesting. Whoa, is this a tree farm? This is a tree farm. But damn though, oh look at that. This is nice here. I like it. I don't know if this is still Oregon City because I'm way out in the sticks apparently, but it has my approval. Neat little corridor of trees. Oh god, I need to pull over. But man, these roads, it's just nice like cruising and looking at everything. Oh, a horse. And a person on the horse. I feel like it's getting more remote. Oh, this is probably a ton of fun to ride like early in the morning when no one's around. Oh my gosh, where am I? Dang, imagine living way out here. I bet your internet would suck. Cool roads. I dig it. But this isn't what I came here for, and I don't want to be here too long, so the next time I see like an open lot, I should try to pull in. Those shifts were pretty bad. My hands are getting kind of numb. It's getting a little bit busier, so maybe this is the right direction. Oh, I said it was getting busy, but now everyone's just gone. There's nothing. There's no one in front of me. There's no one behind me. Oh, look, more trees. Look how open it is. Is this really only 15 or so miles from Portland? Oh, hey, wait a minute. I know this spot. This was in Oregon Motorcycle's thumbnail for one of his videos. Exploration's fun, I guess. Dude, I am way out. How long have I been going for? Will this ever end? I need to check my GPS. Meltzler Park Road. Did I just go in a circle? Wait, do I want to go here? This is fun, actually. Holy crap. Just fucking exploring and not knowing where you're going. Damn, Oregon Motorcycle. I'm so jealous that you live so close to these roads, dude. Love them. They're good roads. I thought it said no outlet here. I'm gonna park now. Is there anyone I can talk to here? Like a kiosk person? It'd be real funny if I stopped here, checked my GPS, and then my bike wouldn't turn on. It'd be even funnier if there was no cell phone signal here. There's no cell phone signal here. Oh, one bar. Signal's too slow here. I'm gonna see if anyone will humor me over there. Can I bother you for a sec? How do I get to Oregon City from here? Okay, I go left? Okay. Okay. Alright, thanks. It sounds like I should go exactly the way I came, which is hard for me to do because I already forgot my turns. Horse. So go left, right, left, not right. This area is so cool though. I like it. I mean, look at all this. Look at all this view. Oh, yes. I'm on the right track now. Jazz. I like jazz. I feel like I've seen that house in a dream before. I really am going back exactly the way I came from. I went the complete opposite direction of where I was supposed to go. This motovlog is gonna go from exploring Oregon City to getting lost in Estacada with very little exploring of Oregon City because I'm already getting tired. Oh, dead end. That's where I want to go. I'm here now in Oregon City, actual Oregon City. Now I have no clue where I'm supposed to go. I'm so lost, and anyone who can see me can tell. We going to the top. We going to the top of the hill. I don't even know if I'm on the right side of Oregon City to get to this elevator thing. This all looks familiar because I've seen it in Oregon Motorcycles videos. Oh shit. Sorry. Well, I've made it here to Oregon City. Check out this view. I'm going to go ahead and take the long way through Portland. I'm heading through the outskirts of Portland to get into downtown Portland now. And you know, Oregon City was a pretty cool place to check out. They had some really nice back roads, especially in the Estacada area. I'm pretty sure that's separate from Oregon City, but you get the idea. Had about, what, like 30 minutes or 45 minutes of riding there. And those were some nice high-speed back roads with some gorgeous farm views and stuff. Overall, nice place. And then downtown Oregon City was also pretty sick. I liked the whole Willamette River view and then that municipal elevator thing. I got a $5 t-shirt as a gift, though it is for a 2019 event, so it's, you know, just a little bit outdated. Well, anyway guys, that's it for this one. I'm going to be heading out of here. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.